How to troubleshoot a wired keyboard in Windows 11. If you are experiencing issues with your wired keyboard on your Windows 11 HP PC, follow the steps in this video to fix potential hardware and software issues. Step 1. Check for wired keyboard connection issues. If the keyboard is not working at all, it could be a hardware connection issue that is causing the problem. To determine this, first turn off the computer. Disconnect the keyboard cable. Turn the computer back on. Reconnect the keyboard to the computer. Note, if the keyboard has a USB connector, use a port directly on the computer rather than a USB hub. If the issue is still occurring, try connecting the keyboard to a different port on the computer. If the keyboard works with the second port, it is possible that the first port on the PC is experiencing the issue and not the keyboard itself. Step 2. Connect keyboard to a different computer. To determine whether the keyboard or the computer is experiencing the issue, try connecting the keyboard to a different computer. Turn off the computer. Disconnect the keyboard. If it is not already on, turn on the second computer. Connect the keyboard directly to the second computer. If the keyboard issue does not occur with the second computer, the issue is with the first computer and not the keyboard. If the issue does occur with the second computer, the keyboard might be defective and may have to be replaced. Step 3. Test the keyboard with the HP PC Hardware Diagnostics tool. To detect keyboard issues using a computer program, the HP PC Hardware Diagnostics tool for Windows is designed to help identify and fix any software or hardware issues. HP PC Hardware Diagnostics is a free app that comes pre-installed on HP computers running Windows. To open it, search for the app from the taskbar and select it. If a message appears asking if you want to allow the app to make changes, select Yes. If the app is not installed on your computer, you can download the latest version from support.hp.com/help/HP-PC-hardware-diagnostics. On the main menu of the app, select Device Check. Select Input Devices. Select the keyboard test, and then click Run Selected Tests. Select your language, and follow the remaining prompts to test the function of the keyboard. When you complete the tests, the results display on the screen. If the test displays as passed, the keyboard itself is functioning properly. If the test displays as failed, the keyboard is experiencing a hardware failure. Write down the failure ID number that appears and visit support.hp.com/contact to help resolve your specific keyboard failure. Step 4. Run Windows Update. Using Windows Update in the Windows Settings menu updates the computer and can resolve any software problems causing the keyboard issue. From the taskbar, search for and open Windows Update Settings. To search for available updates, select Check for Updates. If updates are available, click Download and Install. After the updates install, restart your computer to complete the update. If none of the steps in this video have resolved the issue, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com for additional troubleshooting assistance. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.